Hey, it's Judith. Today I'm going to show you this quick DIY of a mini wallet, or some may use it as a gift card holder. I found this DIY on Tara Reid's YouTube channel, and I'll put that information in my description box below. So the fabric needed for this project for the outer fabric and lining fabric will be 4 3/4 inches by 7 1/2 inches. And for the interfacing, you'll need 4 1/4 inches by 7 inches for the interfacing. And the tab is 3 inches by 4 inches. Okay, here I'm showing you the D-ring. This is what I will insert the tab through. Now I'm going to fold my tab in half and press it, and then I'm going to bring the sides together. So bring that side up, then we'll press. And then we'll do the same on the opposite side. And then once we bring the other side up, we're going to press again, and then we're going to fold all that in half and stitch it. Okay, now that I have my tab done, I'm going to insert it through the D-ring, and then I'm going to base stitch it down. I'm going to come up 4 inches from the bottom and base stitch it, and then we'll add the lining piece. This is just to show you that I ended up using my painter's tape to hold that down while I did that base stitch. So now we'll take that off, and then we'll add the lining piece. Okay, this is just to show you that I rounded the corners on that portion of the lining piece. Okay, now we're going to turn the wallet right side out, but first you're supposed to clip your curves, and I forgot to do that. I guess I was excited, so I forgot to do that, but it doesn't look too bulky, but don't forget to clip your curves. Okay, now we're going to turn this portion under 1/4 inch, and I'll pin it, and then I'll take it over to the sewing machine to close it up. Okay, now from that opening that we just closed up, I'm going to measure up 2 3/4. I'm going to fold that up, and then we're going to stitch all the way around that curve. We're going to go around from the bottom and go around the curve and come back to the other side. Okay, now I'm ready to add my snaps to the wallet. I'm using cam snaps, and I'll put their information in my description box below. So now I'm just folding my wallet in half to get that mid mark to find the point where I'll make a hole. I'll use the awl, and then I'll insert the first set of snaps, and then we'll mark the second part of the wallet and insert the second set of snaps. Here I'm inserting the cap portion of the snap. Now I'll add the male portion of the snap and use the pliers to press those two together. Now I've added my second cap, and then the next step will be to add the female portion of the snap and press those two together. Well, this concludes my video, and I would like to ask if you enjoyed this video or if it was helpful in any way, please consider giving this video a like, and also please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. And as always, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.